These are going to be the top 3 stock options that you should think about buying this week in the stock market. Let's get into the video. So here we are on TradingView. You're going to be able to see the 3 different stocks we're going to talk about in this video. But before we do that, I do want to mention, guys, we're going to be trading these stocks within our stock option Discord. All you have to do is go ahead into our description, click this button. You're going to be able to join an almost 17,000 member Discord, about 717 people online that you can talk to at any moment. And then if you want to go ahead and follow along with our trades that we're making live, all you have to do is get a premium monthly membership, a premium yearly membership if you want to save some money. But that's how you're going to go about actually seeing these plays in real time and be able to ask us questions about it and join our premium section. But anyways, let's get into the rest of the video. And by the way, this is about how we did last week, about 1,500% in gains. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and do it. But either way, let's get into the 3 different stocks. First stock, going to be Chewy. So Chewy is one of those stocks that was doing very well when AMC and GameStop were both at their peak of popularity during the year of 2024. It went from about $16 when they had a very good earnings call, and then shot all the way up to almost $38 with all the AMC and GameStop stuff going on. Came back down to earth at about $23. Had some pretty good momentum because there are some pretty good things about the stock to 27. But now we have dipped below our support here that was at 23.82. And then now we have another support we're coming up on at the 21.74. So this is a pretty big opportunity to be trading Chewy because we're very close to breaking that support. So that's kind of something I wanted to note here, is that Chewy definitely something that could just absolutely break to the downside and go back to where it was at about the 16, and that would be massive upside for you if you're trading puts on it. Now, the second stock is going to be CVS. Now, the reason I bring up CVS is because they are just past their dividend date, so we're not going to have another ex-dividend date for a pretty long time here. But their support is all the way at the $56 level. Right now, they're trending pretty bad. They had hit a resistance at 64. They're trending very bad down to about $59 here, but there's at least downside to $56. And if it breaks that, we're off to the races. But I expect CVS to at least get back to $56 within this trading week. So that's about where we're at with looking at CVS. This is a stock that if it breaks $56, it's going to be shooting down like a freaking bullet. So that's something I wanted to note there. And then the third and final stock is going to be Starbucks. Now, Starbucks just had their earnings and revenue. It wasn't very good, a miss on both earnings and revenue. What's it called? They are pretty close to their support here at the 72, but this is another one just like CVS. I expect Starbucks to at least come back down. And if you take a look here, to end the day on Friday, they were trending down pretty good. We're only at 50 on the RSI. I expect this thing to dip into the 15 on the RSI and dip all the way down to that support there at the 73. So there's at least short-term downside pressure on Starbucks, and then long-term there's at least to like the $72. So that's definitely at least 100 to 300% gains that we could go ahead and see from Starbucks, and that's even without breaking the overall support at $72. So that's something I would definitely keep my eye on as well. I just wanted to make a little short video for you guys here to tell you about some stocks I'm looking at, but make sure you guys join our Discord and get in that premium section by connecting your Discord to the upgrade chat and getting those alerts. But other than that, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.